Ionic versus covalent bonding. When forming compounds, atoms tend to gain, lose, or share electrons to achieve a stable noble gas electron configuration, an octet of electrons. In ionic bonding, an octet is formed by transferring one or more valence electrons from one atom to another. In covalent bonding, an octet is formed by sharing valence electrons between atoms. Click on one of the compounds or molecules to view an animation of the type of bonding present. Sodium has 1 valence electron and fluorine has 7 valence electrons. If the 1 valence electron of sodium is transferred to fluorine, both atoms achieve an octet of electrons. By losing 1 electron, sodium has a positive 1 charge. By gaining 1 electron, fluoride has a negative 1 charge. An ionic bond is the electrostatic force that holds ions together in ionic compounds. Both fluorine atoms have 7 valence electrons. If 1 electron from each fluorine atom is shared with the other atom, then both fluorine atoms achieve an octet of electrons. This type of bond is called a nonpolar covalent bond. The sharing of electrons between atoms is exactly equal and the electron density distribution is symmetrical. The dots in this figure represent the positions of the nuclei. The shaded area represents the regions of space about the nuclei where the electrons are most likely to be. Hydrogen has 1 valence electron and fluorine has 7 valence electrons. If the 1 valence electron of hydrogen is shared with 7 valence electrons in fluorine, fluorine achieves an octet of electrons. Note that hydrogen has only 2 electrons, which is the electron configuration of helium. When bonded to another element, hydrogen will have 2 electrons in its valence shell. In this bond, fluorine has a greater attraction for the electrons in the bond, a greater electronegativity. Because the electrons spend more time near the fluorine atom, the electron density shifts toward fluorine. The result is a greater electron density near fluorine, a partial negative charge, and a correspondingly lower electron density near hydrogen, a partial positive charge. This type of bond, where bonding electrons are unequal,